there is a very predictable system you can use to land the job that you want. And this system comprises of two main systems. And if you understand how these systems work and you can implement them into your job search, then you will secure offers without any issues. So the first system is a system for generating conversations with decision makers. So every single job offer that I have ever seen, and we've helped a lot of clients get jobs, stems from either an informal conversation or chat with a decision maker at a target company, say the head of the team or a CEO or a manager or a director or even a head of HR or recruitment, or an interview with one of those people. It's either an informal chat or an interview. So if you have a system for generating those, we personally like to use LinkedIn and email and job applications, and you can get lots of those conversations. Say you can get 5 or 10. Then you've got half of the job search sorted out. The only other system you need to have in place is a system for converting those conversations into job offers, which in short is like sales. And it's kind of like with any business, right? The job search is very similar to getting customers as a business. So say you're a business, right? You need to first attract the attention of your customers. Once you attract their attention, you get in front of them, then you've got to sell them on why they should buy your stuff, right? Same with the job search. The decision makers at your target companies cannot make you an offer unless they know you exist, right? You have to get their attention. And then comes in the selling component. So in short, once you have these two systems working well, you will definitely be able to land the job you want.